Hi, I'm Jason MacIsaac, and this is Sharing and Pairing. Today we are doing oysters, raw oysters. I love raw oysters, and classic sauce that goes with raw oysters is mignonette. So we're doing a play on that, and we're making a gin-ionette with Seaside Gin and a few other ingredients. It's pretty simple to put together, and it is very delicious with oysters. And to pair with that, we are going to make a Seaside Martini with some dry vermouth and a little garnish of seaweed, of kelp. So a real sea theme altogether. Okay, well, let's get started. First, we'll make our gin-ionette sauce. So I put in this bowl 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar, just for a little bit of sweet and sour. And then we're going to add some lemon zest from a full lemon and the juice from a full lemon. And then this lovely cucumber that my neighbor Roxanne gave to me yesterday. It's beautiful. We're gonna dice this up and put it in there and let everything soak together. Then we'll shuck some oysters and make a martini. So let's get started. I'm going to use this rasp to zest the lemon straight into the bowl. There we go. And I will juice the lemon directly into that bowl. Big lemon. Love these juicers. There we are. Cucumber, I'm going to give it a peel, slice it in half, and then remove the seeds. Oh, it smells beautiful. Oh yeah, fresh from the garden. Oh, the seeds are so small and beautiful, just leave them in. Want to make nice small cubes, so when we do put them in the oyster, they are nice and tiny, and give the oyster a little hug. These oysters are called Effingham, and one of my favorite, the flavor is just bright, briny, so wonderful. Here we go. Lovely little cubes. Put straight in. spoon here, give it a little stir. And then we will add 3 ounces of gin. Give that a stir. Oh, add some black pepper and a pinch of salt, why not? Freshly ground black pepper. Great. There we go. And while we're waiting for all these flavors to meld together perfectly, we will shuck some oysters. Ooh. No, I am not the best at shucking oysters, but yes, I can get the job done. There we go. Oh yes, lots of liquor, as it's called, the juice with the oyster. Okay. And just happen to have a few already shucked right here. And now we can make our martini. We will take Seaside Gin. Two and 1/4 ounces. And there we go. 3/4 ounces dry vermouth. And we will give that a shake. Yeah, that's going to be good with oysters. Chill it down and dilute it. Go. We will double strain it to our nice little glass here. And we will garnish it with the same seaweed that is in the Seaside Gin, winged kelp or alaria. Winged kelp, otherwise known as alaria. There we go. I like to use this, it's fun because it starts out rigid and then it goes into the drink and becomes soft like it once was in the sea. So, take a bit of our Gin-ionette with cucumbers, a bit of the sauce into each of the oysters. Wonderful. Prepare to amaze guests. Have fun doing it. Great. Here we go. Fresh Effingham oysters with Gin-ionette and a Seaside Martini garnished with kelp, with seaweed. Thanks for joining Sharing and Pairing. Fresh Effingham oysters with a Gin-ionette and a Seaside Martini. The two go so well together. The brininess from the martini and the gin just match so well with the cucumbers and the Gin-ionette and the oysters. They're just one beautiful combination. Hope you enjoy it. Fabulous. Oh.